Don Moody of handymanreality.com of Edmonton, Alberta. I have a Mansfield toilet here with a broken toilet handle, which can be kind of quirky to put in. Let's see, even to buying them is challenging. I often need to go to a supplier to get them, and sometimes they come in different lengths. If they do, the chain part doesn't really matter. If it's a problem, you could just cut it off to the length that works for you. They are, of course, Mansfields. So when you slip this through here, it's challenging to get it in the loop there. Two things need to happen here. One is the nut needs to go on first, and at the same time, while it's all loose, turn the tower sideways and then, sorry, the nut got in the way there, and then this is challenging to do one-handed, but anyways, so it's as simple as this. Now you'll be able to slide that back into place and slide the nut up to the handle, to where the handle needs to mount. Now, toilet handles are kind of weird, because usually you think lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, but when it comes to a toilet handle, it is opposite that, and that almost doesn't matter which kind of toilet handle you have. This is challenging to do with one hand. Because the threads are kind of sloppy as well. Once you get it turning freely, it should not be stiff, then it will be all okay. And we'll take a wrench and we'll snug that up afterwards. Let's see, anything else I could say about a Mansfield toilet? It's pretty common in multi-tenant. If you're looking down and around here and you see any dents in the water, then there is a ring. You can see that red ring down there. It can be purchased to be replaced. Which of course is take the handle out, just pull the tower up, and then reassemble, sort of thing. So this has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com and a Mansfield toilet handle replacement. Have a great day.